Okay, let us edit my first article here. So to modify the content in this article, just go here and click edit, and that will open the article for us. Okay, say you can change the title here if you want, say first article, and if you want to add some extra text to it, you can add more. You can add more if you want, and scroll down. We have an image inserted in this article. If you don't like this, you can remove it, or you can upload a new image if you want. And here, when you're done modifying it, remember to save it. So the first article has been updated. When you come here, so the picture is gone, and you see some extra text here, and my first article is became first article. So we change the name, we add the content here, and we remove the picture from the article. So this is how we modify the Drupal's content. And the next topic for today's session is deleting the content. We can always delete any of the previously written content such as articles, basic pages, or blog entry. How to delete the content from your website? It's quite simple. Let us see how to delete. So this is our Drupal website from the back end as we logged in as admin here, and to delete the content from the website, so go to the content and you will see the list of all the contents here. And if you want to delete something from here, think that if you want to delete your first article, this one here, you simply go here and click delete. And when you click the delete button here, and you will get a pop-up message, this action cannot be undone. That means once if you delete it, you can bring it back. So that's a message. Okay, when you don't need it, then you just click delete button here, and that article will vanish from your website forever. Page not found, because we were there before. If you go to the content, and when you see it and you don't see any my article or my first article here, so this is the way to delete content from your website. And our next topic for this session is publishing content. In this topic, we are going to study about how to publish content. Every content is either published or unpublished. Published content will be seen by everyone, whereas unpublished content will not be seen. We can make use of this to hide the content from public view without deleting it. Basically, when previously we deleted content from the page, but if you unpublish it, that content will not show on the web page, but still the content will stay there. That is hiding. That is called as hiding the content. So now we discuss about publishing the content in Drupal. Okay, to publish the content, go to the content. You can add content. You already seen how to add the content, but you can edit the existing content and you can publish it. Just edit it, and this is a page about creating content. So we are adding some more text to it, and yes, you will come here to the publishing options. So here we have to make sure that this checkbox is checked, then only it will get published. And we are going to promote this to the front page and stick at the top of the list. Okay, let us do that and see what happens. So the basic page creating content has been updated. So we're done with publishing content here, creating content. We modified it and we published to the front page. So here it's a small space allotted so you can see the full text. So you got the read more option. When you click it, it will open the complete text. So this is how we publish the content. Okay, in this session, we discussed about creating articles in Drupal and creating pages in Drupal and creating the content in Drupal, and we modified that content and we deleted some content from the web page, and we learned how to publish the content in the website. So that's it for the session, and thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the session today. It's time to say bye bye and see you in the next session.